to stop you, Daddy.
Is this 99 Cents?
He's so mean. Hey.
Is this all the songs that play?
She looked up at him like,
What are you doing to me, Dada?
give it to her. Will she hold it? What is that? What is that? Ooh, Mama.
It's like, what?
Mama. Hey,
Did I have any juice in it?
I don't think so. You got to give her a real one.
Give her an out lemon. Jeez.
Give her one of those little ones. That one just had a ton of seeds in it.
You
Meredith.
can't bite it, babe. All it's going to do is squirt. Yeah. Taste on it.
Hey.
Look, she likes it.
Did you see that one? That one eye. She closed one eye.
Hey, Jason.
Yeah, she yeah, hockey ball.
Probably feels good though. Yeah. She might like an orange.